Well, that's a thorn. Okay, so before anybody says anything, yes, the blade is dull on my chainsaw. It needs to be sharpened. So, I know. This bush here is some kind of thorn. It's got thorns in it, so it sure isn't, might be like a crabapple tree. Hold on a second, let me just... stuck one right through my finger. So I'm feeling that, I can tell you. I'll show you. You can see. Got myself right through my finger. That hurt. So, all Bill needs me to do As he's cleaning stuff up, he wanted these just like cut in half so that he can get them into the back of his truck. So obviously now he can. And so like I said, here's a start. It's going to take several loads obviously to get this all cleaned up, but when we're done, you know, he's going to go around all these trees. There's a lot of little stumps that need to be taken out of here, and then we'll have this all cleaned up. And then Dennis is going to come down, and these three here in the front, they're going to go. And and then this is standing dead as well, and so we'll cut that up. That'll just end up being firewood. But so there's like the little bit so far. So we got all of this. So there's still plenty to do. There's stuff back over here that once he pulls it up out of my way, I'll cut that up as well. But and then we got our regular mound over here. So I'm going to actually come in there. I'm going to pull all those stuff off the top of that and get that cleaned up. But so yeah, so that's what we're working on. Again, I got a brand new chain that I could put on here, but because this is in the dirt and crap like that, I'm going to go ahead and stay with the duller blade for right now, because why ruin a brand new blade in case I hit a rock or dirt in this area. So I'll go ahead and I'll deal with the you know, with the way that it is. It's not a big deal. But so I'm excited about getting this project done, guys. I'll tell you, you know, I've been looking at this all summer, and when we got in here in the spring and we started clearing everything out, the amount of room in this area up through here, like I said, there's going to be a woodshed here, but the rest of this here, I plan on planting fruit trees and stuff like that in through this area, and I think it'll be beautiful. It's going to be a perfect area for that when we get to that point. So, but hey, just look at that sky today, though. Just absolutely gorgeous. Just gorgeous. It's going to be a nice day. It's in the 60s right now. I think it's going to be like 78, almost 80 degrees today. So that's a good thing as well. And but yeah, so I mean, this is going to take a while. This is a lot of loads that he's going to have to hump out of here. I think this is going to be quite a bit of an all-day project, but that's okay. That is okay. We're going to work on it, get it done, and you know, as he's pulling stuff out and he needs me to buck up, I'm just going to buck those things up. But it's going to be a good day. It's going to be a good day. Productive. Get things done, get this out of the way. I'm leaving in 2 days to go down to West Virginia, so I still have to get a bunch of stuff packed up inside the camper that I plan on taking down. I have a backup generator in the shop that I'm going to pull out, that we're going to take down with us so that we can have power when we're down there, and we're going to utilize that obviously. And like I said, it's just going to be, we're going to be busy, we're going to be productive, hopefully, and we'll get some stuff done down in West Virginia. But that's where we're at. And but you know what? Stuff here at the homestead still has to get done here as well. For those that are going to ask that don't know yet, I do not plan on selling this place. I am going to keep both homesteads. So this is going to be, for now, the main camp, obviously, main homestead, and I will continue to do things that need to be done here. When the spring gets here, I think the way I'm going to probably do things at that point is I will spend like 3 weeks in West Virginia, and then I'll come back home for a week and see what's going on here, taking care of things. Once I get a dog run set up in West Virginia, when I go down for the 3 weeks, I will take the pups with me. And so that's how we're going to do that. But I'm not letting them run just free, because they're going to get confused. They're not going to know the area. And so I'm not going to do that to them. But so they'll have a good size run on the new homestead. I plan on doing that for them. And so like I said, we're going to work at things and get things done, and we're going to go from there. But it'll all come together. It will all come together. It's just, like I said, it's just going to take some time and effort, like everything else. But they're going to be, you know, it's going to be fun. I'm like I said, I'm looking forward to it. And what I may end up doing down there, their run may encapsulate the camper. I may do something like that, because in that way, when I can just let them out in the morning, I can just let them out, and I don't have to walk over and, you know, and stuff like that. I can just open the door, out they go, and they're in their run. So I may do something like that. I don't know yet. I have to figure all that out, but we'll work on things as we work on them. But so that's what we're working on, and so there we are. But real good, real positive, happy about this whole thing, and we're gonna have a good day today, get things squared away. We're gonna have a good day tomorrow. We're gonna have a good day on Thursday, and then, like I said, we'll be traveling. So what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm gonna do a bunch of videos here and now, get them up. You know, some of these videos you may see after I'm gone. And so, you know, that's how I'll probably do that. So I have content for you guys, so I can get down to West Virginia and I can, you know, get settled in there on the Friday. Obviously I'll do a bunch of videos while I'm down there, but I'm going to try to make sure there's enough content that you guys are going to see videos. And then as I go down there, I'll make a bunch of videos, and we will, you know, post those, either some of them while we're down there, probably some of them while we're down there, and you know, some of them when we get back. If I do the hotspot, it literally will take me 3 hours from the property to put up a 15-minute video for you guys. So you know, it is, you know, it's just the way it's going to be, and it's going to take time, and we'll have to do what we got to do. But what I may end up doing is might run down to the main town. I can use the hotspot at like McDonald's sitting in their parking lot, and you know, I'll give like 4 or 5 videos, and that way I can do a couple days worth of videos. And literally to put up 4 videos there, it'll probably take me 2.5, 3 hours. It's about 45 minutes per video from there, as opposed to doing 3 hours at the homestead for one video. So I will do both, because I can put up, you know, get content going up, and continue to work on other things and come back and check on it. But like I said, I will have content coming up for you guys. Again, I will be at Pinball's event in Tennessee on Saturday, so I am absolutely looking forward to that as well. And you know, like I said, we're gonna have fun. We're gonna work. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna make forward progress. We're gonna, like I said, get things going down there, and that type of thing. So that is the game plan. All right, guys. Well, I am going to jump off of here for now. Remember, we are all in this together. We are one race called the human race, and we need to remember that. Also, we need to remember to hug and kiss the ones that we love. Tell them every single day. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen in life, so it's really important that we tell the people that we care about every day how we feel. Last but not least, STD, step, thing, and day. One step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you're trying to accomplish, whatever you're trying to do, you can do it. The only one that's going to stop you from reaching your goals is you. That's it. Nobody else can stop you. Stay positive, stay away from the negativity, and you're going to be just fine. All right, I will see you all later. Prepper Nurse 1, out for now.